Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 46, word problems about a fraction of a group. When we do word problems about a fraction of a group, it helps to make a diagram. So I'll show you what that looks like. So this says Naive, scored 2/3 of her team's 36 points. How many points did she score? So I'm first going to start off by drawing my diagram. And we do that by drawing a rectangle. Okay. Then I'm going to divide that rectangle up into parts. And I know how many parts to divide it up to because of my fraction. The denominator is in thirds, so I'm going to divide my diagram up into thirds. Okay. Now I put the total number of points at the top, and that's 36. So 36 points up here at the top. Then I need to divide 36 into thirds, or 3 pieces. So 1/3 of 36 equals 12. So I can do 36 divided by 3, and I know that equals 12. Okay, so I'm going to put 12 in each of these boxes. Okay, now it says she scored 2/3 of her team's points. So I'm going to show with my arrows 1, 2 of thirds. Okay, which is how much she scored, which means that this other one is how much she didn't score. Okay, so the question asks, how many points did she score? Well, she scored 2/3, so 12 plus 12 equals 24 points. Okay, let's do another example. This says LaDonna's dog ate 1/4 of a dozen dog bones. How many dog bones were left? Well, I know a dozen means 12. Okay, so I'm going to draw my diagram, and I'm going to divide it into fourths because the fraction and denominator is a 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 12 bones total. Okay, so then I need to divide that 12 bones into 4 pieces. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I would put a 3 in each of these boxes. Okay, so it says that LaDonna's dog ate 1/4. So here's 1/4, and that's how much he ate. So how many dog bones are left? That's going to be these ones. So 3/4 he didn't eat. Okay, so since it says how many dog bones are left, I'm looking for how much he didn't eat. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. So he didn't eat 9 of the dog bones. All right, so this question says, a 5th grade basketball team scored 32 points in their first game of the season. This team scored 5/8 of those points in the second half of the game. Which diagram shows the number of points the team scored in the first half? So I need to see the total is 32 points, so that should be at the top, and it is for both of these. Okay, I have divided into first half and second half. That's correct. Okay, and then it's supposed to be divided into 8 pieces. So let's look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so both these is correct. But I need to divide it into even pieces. And 32 divided by 8 equals 4. So this one is the one that shows the correct amount because only this diagram has all of the sections divided into the same amount of points. Okay. All right, let's do one more example. This says 2/5 of the 30 students in the class played in the band. How many students played in the band? So we draw my diagram. I'm dividing it into fifths. So 5 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5. I put the total at the top, so 30. And then I divide that 30 into 5 pieces. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So each of these pieces is 6. Okay. Now it says 2/5 played in the band. So here we go. This is 2/5, and these are the ones that played. which means that these ones didn't play. And that's 3/5. Okay. All right. So the question asks how many students played in the band. Since it's 2/5, that's 6 plus 6, which equals 12. So my answer would be 12 students. Okay, and that's it for this assignment. Good luck on your homework.